Hi guys, Shruti here. Today I'm sharing a get ready with me. This is a pink party makeup look. So let's get started. Applying makeup, I am going to apply a face primer and this time I'm using pore primer from PAC. It minimizes the appearance of your pores and make your skin very smooth. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with my favorite LA Girls Slim Eyebrow Pencil. While filling your eyebrows, always make sure to make very small strokes. And don't forget to blend your eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil by using a brush. It's time for foundation and I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, which is my new love. I absolutely love the finish of this foundation on my face. To blend this foundation on my skin, I'm using a beauty blender and padding motion. After foundation, I'm going to use a concealer and बताने की तो बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Warm Honey. I'm using concealer to hide the darkness around my eye as well as on the lid area. To make my foundation and my concealer long lasting and to make sure they're not creasing throughout the day, I am going to top it off by using a powder, and the powder I'm using is L'Oreal Matte Magique. Now let's move on to eye makeup and then I'm going to finish rest of face makeup. I'm taking a peach coral color liquid lipstick and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid area, blending it towards the crease. Now take the same compact powder on a blending brush and start blending this in the crease area. Now to deepen up the crease area, I am going to use this dark shade from a Lakme palette. You can use any dark eyeshadow you have. First of all, pick up the color and then deposit it in the crease area and then start blending it. Pick it on a pencil brush, then start placing this color from outer corner of your crease to the center of your crease. Once there is no more product left on, you can start blending this shade. Once more, pick the same compact powder on the same blending brush and then start blending the crease color upwards. From L'Oreal's La Palette Nude, I am going to use this shimmery shade right here on my lid. Just pick a little bit of this shade on your finger and then press it on the center of your eyeball. I'm using Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner for lining my upper lash line, lower lash line and waterline. And I'm using a Vega eyeliner brush with this. From the same Lakme palette, I'm going to use this bright shade right here and then this deep shade right here. With the pencil brush, I am going to apply the bright shade from inner corner to the center. And then I'm going to use deep shade from center to the outer corner. To finish off the eye makeup, I am going to apply Deborah Milano mascara. This is my current favorite. And on top of that, I am going to apply falsies as well because you guys know I love drama. And these are the ones I'm using. For applying false lashes, make sure to hold them like this. Then apply a very thin coat of glue. Make sure to apply a little extra on both the ends of the false lashes. Now hold them with a plucker. Now to apply them, it's very important, keep your hand upwards and then bring them down so that you can see where they are going to sit. Now attach your false lashes to the center of your lashes first. Pick up the outer corner and then attach it to your outer lashes. Now pick up the inner part and then attach it to the inner lashes. On my cheeks, I'm going to use a peach color blush. This one is Blushing Case from L'Oreal. I'm using the same beauty blender with padding motion to apply this blush. For highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Illuminator. Place it to the highest point of your cheeks and then blend it. You can use your beauty blender, sponge or your fingers to apply it. But today I am using a blending brush here. Last minute decision, I am going to apply a little bit of the same highlighter on inner corner of my eye. For my lipstick, I'm using a matte lip crayon from Faces Canada. That's it for this video. If you want me to create more get ready with me in future, then don't forget to give this video a big huge thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
Hi PPC fans, so did you like this video? Do let me know by writing in the comment section below. And I loved doing this video of one of my favorite YouTubers, Shruti Arjun Anand. Let me tell you a little bit about myself, that when I started viewing videos on YouTube for the first time, it was Shruti Arjun Anand whose videos I liked the most.